Hi friends, welcome back in the another video of FMT, that is AI learning series, right? Today we will see bootstrapping confidence level. So I hope you remember that bootstrapping is nothing but that is any test or metric that basically uses random sampling but with replacement, right? If I give one example, so you can say that like mimicking the sampling process, right? But yeah, the bootstrapping falls under the broader class of resembling methods, right? So bootstrapping basically assigns measures of accuracy like bias, variance, confidence interval, and prediction error, so on and so forth, to basically just sample the estimates. So let's see one example on bootstrapping. How do we include that? How do we work on that, right? So again, I'm importing all these things like pandas for read CSV specifically, utils for assembling, dysentery classifier from sklearn.tree, now accuracy score from sklearn.matrix, matplotlib from pyplot from matplotlib, np from numpy. So loading the data, again we'll be providing the link in the description for this data. Header equals to none, values equals to data dot values, right? Now how do we include the confidence the bootstrap? So here, to configure it, first we are defining the number of bootstrap sample, right, that we want to create. So here we are defining 1000, and here what I'm doing is taking n size as integer, length of data multiplied by 0.5. that means it will pick only 50% of the data in every bootstrap samples, right? Now status equals to list. To run the bootstrap, we will keep adding here. Now for I in range in our n iterations, right, train equals to resample values, and sample equals to n size for sampling and replacement, right? So here picking the rest of the data, not considering in sample. Okay, so then we fitting the model by calling dysentery classifier, right? Model dot fit train. So the indexing or slicing that we are doing now, evaluating model prediction, we are getting the model dot predict, right? And then here we are getting overall accuracy score that can mislead when classes are imbalanced, right? That is the chance. If we print our score, so here you can see that all the print score that we will get. So you can do it by yourself as well. Now plotting the score, so normally we are plotting all that score. Alpha is 95% for confidence, and tail region on right and left, that is 0.25 on each side, indicates by p values, right? And lower max 0.0 np percentile. So all these stat we are doing, and if we print that 95% confidence interval, right, that is 64.2% and 73.0%. so this way you will get that bootstrapping evaluation. So hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned, we will come up with the next video. All the best. Thanks.